What's up to all of my bosses, future bosses, and aspiring bosses? I'm the head boss in charge, BB Nicole. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm BB Nicole, owner of DHG Hair Studio and DeluxeHairGallery.co for the ones that don't know. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do an attention-grabbing thumbnail. If you're interested, just continue watching. Select from the two apps that I presented to you guys. Canva is free and Adobe Spark does cost, but it is a premium app with awesome features and it's powered by Adobe. I always use this to create high quality thumbnails. So the first thing you'll see when you open Spark is the home screen. You'll see templates, you'll see features, you'll see premium, animation, etc. So scroll through those if you're a beginner, but if you are used to doing this and a little more advanced, go ahead and type in the search bar and type in thumbnail. We're going to be creating one from scratch. Again, you have some more templates when you search that in, but go ahead and select to create your own and then do solid color. Here you're going to pick your color, whatever you're feeling, whatever you're in the mood for. I've been in the mood for bright colors lately. That's been my theme, so I'm going to go ahead and go with that flow. So you'll see some templates for different sizes of the file. Go ahead and select YouTube thumbnail. To make things easier, I already made an album with my photos that I want to use for this video. And then I'm going to add them to move freely. And then I'll proceed by resizing all of the photos and placing them in the order that I like. I'm going to let you guys watch this and then we'll pick back up when I move on to something different. I did start with 4 photos, however, it started to look a bit cluttered, so I went ahead and deleted one photo and kept the best, and then I just arranged them in a fashion that I liked. You'll notice there are a lot of features down below. You have edit, enhance, font, you have adjust, you have a lot of different options and different little things that you can utilize. Just play with those things until you're familiar with the app. But they're there to help you and help you create this awesome design. So just get familiar with the app. Don't be overwhelmed. Just take your time and play around. Okay guys, here's a bonus tip. If you go to Safari and go to LunaPic, you can transform any photo into a transparent file. That just means there's going to be nothing behind that file, just the image that you want. Save that to your phone and then add that into your thumbnail. You can do this with anything. So make sure you guys check that out. I hope you enjoyed that bonus tip. So now I'm just resizing my file. I'm just going to place it and play around with it until I am pleased. I did start playing around with the color because I wanted to see how it looked. I wanted to see what popped and to see what color I initially wanted to go with, even though we know what that color was. Then I just started to edit the text and create my thumbnail title. Make it catchy, make it simple, make it straight to the point. The Spark app has so many fonts. Well, they don't have a lot of fonts, but they're really nice font, high quality fonts. So just select the one you like the best. I went ahead and selected this font and then I proceeded with my design. At last, we decided on a color, which is lime green. This background was just screaming my name. It was just calling me. It just looked so festive and fun and really just displayed my personality. So I went with that thumbnail. Of course, we gotta add pink. Even though I'm not the biggest pink fan, the ladies love pink. I'm a black, white, and gold kind of girl, but you ladies love anything girly, and I am here to get these views, so I make sure it's attractive to your eyes. So now I'm resizing the photos into their final size and final shape, and then we're gonna move on to animation. While I arrange that, I just want to talk to you guys about animation. I always put an animated clip on my social media platforms, which is Facebook and Instagram, as well as I put an animation in front of my video. So that way, when someone comes to my channel and they click on a video, they immediately see that image that they were so attracted to. That wraps up this video, guys. I hope you find it helpful. Save those files to your phone, and then you have a thumbnail. I want to remind you guys to wake up, pray, get pretty, hustle, repeat. Your girl is out. Bye.